Hi all, this is Jackie Gipe here, and this video is going to go over the progress report that's available in Edgenuity and kind of talk about a few of the features that are on it. So to access the progress report for a particular student, what you'll do is search their name in the students area. I've got my student account pulled up already, so I can hover over my student name right here, and then I'm looking for the progress report particularly. So I'm going to select progress report right here. And while that's loading up, once that takes me to my report here, I can see, now again, this is my student account, so I've got quite a few courses listed on it. I'm really just looking for my Algebra 2A progress. So I'm going to pull up my specific Algebra 2A course and get the progress on that. You will notice though that with this drop down, you can select any current course as well as archived or completed course. So that can be beneficial to look through. So I've got my Algebra 2A course pulled up and I've gotten my progress for it. You can see there's some color coding here and some information buttons here as well that kind of explain a little bit about each of these grades. So you can hover over those to get some more detail. It's important to understand this as well because this is what parents see when they log into the family portal, and this is also what they get if they're signed up to get updates through Edgenuity about their students' progress. So starting up at the top, you can see there's some color coding here. Green represents the students ahead, blue means the student's right on track, and then red means the student is behind, and then this orangish, yellowish color is where the student should be at, so target completion. So you can see right now I'm 1% complete with my Algebra 2A course, and my target completion, I'm behind on it. I should be at, if we come down here, should be at 7.1%. So that's what that bar is representing right there. That's 7.1. Complete, so this rounds a little bit or cuts off. I'm actually 1.6% done. Gives me the start date for my course, my target date that I should be done. And then I've got my overall grade here, and you can see if I hover, these are the grades I've gotten so far on the activities that I've completed based on the specific weighting that's provided, okay? Relative grade would be the grade I would have received if I just completely stopped working on this class, and I already got a 0 for anything that I didn't do. So obviously that's a pretty low grade, basically 0 at this point because I've only completed a few activities. And then actual grade is where I stand right now based on the work I've completed and then how far behind I am. Okay, so it's low because I'm not caught up on my class. And then target completion, we've already talked about that. That's where I should be so far. And then below that, I've got this lovely little chart, and this really breaks down what my grade is based on the types of activities that are in this course. So it tells me the quizzes that I've taken so far, how many I've tested out of, and then how many total there are in the course. So I know there's 41 quizzes. I've taken 1, this is the score I earned, and this is the weight of the overall grade. Tests, I haven't taken any or tested out of them. There's 5 overall. Exam, there's only 1, haven't taken or tested out. And then I've taken 2 assignments so far out of the 135 total, and I haven't gotten to any of the projects. And again, below, you can see the weighting for the course. We can see tests have the highest weight for the course, and then quizzes, exams, and the assignments are all equally weighted, and then the projects are 10%. So that's what's available on the progress report. Again, really valuable to understand. That way we can explain it to parents or anyone who's involved in our students' lives.